Hello everyone, welcome to Sense of Being. So, today again I'm on a beach. The wind is on its heavy side. It might not be possible for you to hear, but I'm trying to be loud. So, today I will be talking about Dunhill icon. So, here's the bottle, a very stylish bottle, and you know, a heavy bottle, and it's it it feels a good quality if I talk about the bottle. But if I'm talking about the smell, one thing I want to share first, that if maybe I'm on the beach, that's why I'm smelling this smell, that I can feel something oily, when we put oil on our hairs, in India, when we put this is the smell, this is the type of smell we get sometimes. And why I'm saying this, because right now I'm on an island, which is uh, nearby the down part of India. So on here we get this same smell, so that is the main thing. You can so you can hear people are talking, the crowd is here. I'll be at the end of this video, I'll be showing you what is in the front of me, what is back. So why I was wearing my glasses again and again, and I'm taking it off because the sunrise are not here, but the wind is too fast, so my glasses are just moving, so that's why I weird. So this is my last video for this perfume, and I will be going back to my home. So now let's talk about this perfume. The smell, it smells very good. It is like, one thing I shared in the last video also, that why do people have to smell the same when you're on the beach? The salty smell, the a coconut smell, or maybe a you know um oil smell, maybe you can say. But when I talked about Perfumum Roma AZ686, so it has that coconut, but I only smell vanilla, vanilla, vanilla all the time. All the time I only smell vanilla. So that I want to say. Now, if I talk about, I brought Creed also with me, Avengers. So I got compliments on this when I was when I was at a lounge, or maybe I can say, restaurant cum bar. I was sitting over there, so I got an compliment from the people over there. And of course, then I bought, as I said, why do people have to bring the same smelling perfume? And why I got this idea or why I'm saying this, because I brought from the company Aqua di Pharma. You all must be knowing. So this is a blue Mediterranean. So I brought this with me. I thought, why I'm putting this on, because I'm smelling the same smell. So Daniel, I want to say it's a quality smell, different smell. You will not get the same smell from any other company branded perfumes. And just wanted to say one thing. Please do try, if you want to have a good smelling, good bottle, good smelling perfume in a lesser price. Please go and visit this. Just smell it, give it a try. I'm saying you will not be disappointed. And again, I will be saying, if you're Indian or you are an outsider, please do visit this island. It's a beauty in itself. You'll enjoy people. The people over here are very good. They are very kind, and there's no language gap, I must say. When we visit in India, the language changes by every, 1,000 kilometers, I can say, or maybe I can say like 700, 800 kilometers. The language changes, or sometimes in 400 kilometers only the language changes. So the kilometers matters, but the languages change, but the problem will not be here. So, and this is, now I'll be showing you my background, my, where I'm sitting, where I'm looking that side, because um, the view is too good. One side I can see the mountains, the other, and the same place I can see, sea. And at the back of me is, a greenery, a forest, big forest, huge forest, long forest. Wherever my eyes can look, I can see the ocean, and other side I can see the forest. So you can understand the greenery is too much over here. I can smell, a fresh oxygen. By coming to this place, I understand how good is, how good the oxygen is. So I'll be talking about more about the of the place. One thing so, as I said, where I am right now, you can see over here, beaches over here. It's a beautiful place, and people do visit, and you should give a try to this place. You can see the mountains are here, greenery is there, beaches there. There's a different island, and you can see the greenery at the back. And apart from that, what I can say, that you should give a try to this company. You will enjoy it just like you enjoy on a beach. So, and this is just, I will say one thing about this perfume, and I liken that it's a good perfume. It stays for easily 10 plus hours. So if you want to have a perfume which stays for 10 plus hours, this is for you. And apart from that, if you want one perfume in your wardrobe, that is this, because it stays. You can use it in summers, in spring, in winters. So this will help you out. And apart from that, I was thinking to plan a summer list, but I didn't get a time. So this is my first trip for this year, and my second trip is again coming. I'm going, as I'm reaching my home place, so I'll be going to mountains. So let's see when I will be leaving. Most probably by the end of this month I'll be going. And so, Daniel Icon, you must give a try to this one, and stays for, as I said, 10 plus hours, and you can use it in all the seasons. So till that time, you should take care. Wait for my next video. Most probably it will be coming in a recent time. So it will be coming in a recent time, and till that time, take care. Peace. Jai Hind.